Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you some powerful affiliate marketing tips on TikTok so you can start to generate tons of leads and take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Now, if you've followed me for a while, you know I'm all about autopilot results. I like things working when I'm not there. Now, TikTok is amazing because once you post a video, that video will keep bringing in leads and sales if you do it properly for months to come. So what I'm going to share with you is how I actually went from struggling with TikTok for a long time. I couldn't seem to figure out how to do it to consistently getting views, leads, and sales. You can see that this video got 1 million views right here. This video got 214,000 views, 109,000 views. And I'm going to share with you what I've learned so you can go out there and apply it in your own business. Now, before I dive into the step-by-step strategy, if you want to actually access more information on how I'm generating tons of leads on Total Autopilot, be sure to click the link below and get access to my training. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive into the very first step. So the very first step is you want to create a TikTok around a certain niche. I see a lot of people going out there, they're posting random videos about dogs one day, videos about losing weight the next. Whatever product you want to promote, you want to figure out what niche is it in. You can see right here, this is all about making money, all about affiliate marketing. Okay, so people know that this is a go-to guide if they want to master affiliate marketing. You can see this page right here, 𝐏𝐸𝐴𝐻, right? He's a page that I found that all he does is talk about building muscle, okay? Building muscle, losing fat. He's in the health and fitness niche, mainly for men, and you can see that he's very, very consistent. The reason, again, you want to do this is consistency is going to start to attract a following. You want to be very simple. You want to be very consistent with your following. If you're posting, again, random things, people are going to be confused and they're going to unfollow you. You can see this page right here, motivation. Okay, so you can see, they're posting celebrity quotes, celebrity interviews where they're giving motivational messages, and it's a very consistent strategy. So again, you want to figure out if you're not currently in a niche, maybe you're brand new with affiliate marketing, pick a niche. Now, I recommend you choose one either in health and fitness, making money, or relationships. Okay, those three are the top 3 niches, and then you can drill down. You can go into, like I did, affiliate marketing, which is a subcategory of making money online, but you want to be very specific. The next step is you want to be targeting trends. TikTok is all about trends and going viral, okay? It's very easy to go viral nowadays with TikTok. It's still pretty new. So one thing you can do on your phone, okay, I can't really show you on the computer, but if you go to your phone and you type in viral sounds in the top search bar, and then you filter by the sounds tab, this is going to share with you songs that are actually very viral and popular right now. And what happens is when you click on that song, you'll be able to see a list of all the different videos that are currently using that song. And the cool thing is when you do that, you'll be able to see the latest trending dances, the latest trending videos and things like that. And you can go ahead and model it for yourself. Okay, so if you can see right here, a lot of times I'll actually do that. So with this video, I added this song because this song was trending. And when people started to see that song, they found my video, and this video was allowing me to get, over 200,000 views. So you can see if you click on any song in TikTok, it's going to list all the different videos that are using it. And then again, you can open up this video, reverse engineer, figure out what are they doing in the video, what are they saying. There's a lot of viral, comedic skits. There's a lot of viral dances that people do. And again, you can just tailor it for your own. You don't want to blatantly copy it word for word, but you can take it from, let's say, a health and fitness niche, and you can make it slightly different to fit a make money online niche or a relationship niche. Okay, so that's the second tip, using viral trending songs, viral skits, and things like that. And my last tip in this video for TikTok that really helped me start to blow up my videos and really attract the targeted prospects that I wanted was realizing that TikTok is a search engine. A lot of people don't realize, but TikTok is very similar to YouTube and Google, where people can actually go to the search bar, type in some keywords, and look for videos, look for solutions to their problems. because when you do affiliate marketing, the product you're promoting is a solution to a person's problem, okay? So if you're promoting a product that teaches people how to lose weight, their problem is, how to lose weight, how to gain muscle, right? How to build a business, whatever product you're promoting, whatever problem you're solving, you can actually go to the search bar and you can type in some keywords. So for example, how to lose weight. Okay, so you can see as I started typing that, these keywords are popping up. And then what I would recommend is you use these keywords for future topics in your next videos. Okay, you can literally start the video off with this specific keyword. So let's say you want to target this one, you're in the health and fitness niche. You could literally do a TikTok and say, you're going to learn how to gain weight ASAP, right? And then inside of the video, you just give, 3 to 5 tips, okay? And if you don't know how to do tips, you can just literally go to Google, okay? And just go, how to lose weight ASAP, right? Type in the keyword, take, some of these tips from an article, and then literally just read out, hey, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to lose weight ASAP. Number 1, don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is very important. Number 2, eat regular meals. Number 3, be sure you're eating fruits and vegetables. It's very important. Blah, 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 right? You just go through those tips inside of the video. And again, you're using the keyword that you found as a topic because people want that topic. TikTok is showing you that this is very popular. You can see I literally did it with this video. This video got 12,000 views. And what I did was, you can see right here, I took this keyword that I found in the search bar and I put it in my caption. So that tells TikTok that is what the video is about. And in this video, I literally give tips on how to promote affiliate products without a website. And then the last step inside of your video is you want to give a call to action. So you want to either tell people to follow you or click the link in your bio to learn more about whatever product you're promoting. So before you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can't put a link in your bio. So I would give my call to action being to follow me for more information. And then once I hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, then I would say, hey, be sure you go to the link in my bio if you want to learn more. You always want to end your video with a call to action so you can start to generate leads and even sales. Now, these tips have really helped me grow, and I really hope they will help you as well. Now, before I get going, be sure again to click the link directly below and get access to my training where I go way more in depth on how to generate leads on total autopilot. And also be sure to take action on these tips. I challenge you to implement at least one of them in the next few days. And be sure to comment your results down below and also subscribe to the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest training. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.